So GM guys, once again, Chain wallet registration will soon start, and that is what will be used as the KYC. I already made a video on this yesterday showing people how to go about the registration when it starts. And most of the questions I received on my channel is, what is an EVM wallet? Where do I get my EVM wallet address? I'll be addressing that in this video. But before that, many of you will notice that when you try to access my channel, my Telegram channel this morning, it will show you something like this channel is private or unavailable. The reason is this: my Telegram was banned. Yes, it was banned, and I don't know why that happened. So I have reached out to some few of their support team and I've sent the necessary emails. So I'm still waiting for feedback on from them while we try to restore the account. But as for now, this is my backup channel. As you can see, it just has 25 subscribers as of now. The previous one were over 7.7k. So for those of you that have been wondering what happened to Tunis Tech, yes, that is what happened. I woke up this morning to see that the account was banned. So if you're watching this video right now, check the link in the description box of this video and join this channel ASAP. Don't mind any scammer that will come to your DM claiming to be me. I don't send anybody DMs on Telegram. The only place you can interact with me is WhatsApp. So as of now, this channel does not have a comment section like the old one. I'm going to integrate it once I am maybe probably done with this video or done with all the necessary setups I'm doing. So yeah, join this channel. Now, this is it. An EVM wallet. When we talk of EVM, MetaMask is an EVM compatible wallet. Trust Wallet is also an EVM compatible wallet. OKS is also an EVM compatible wallet. Now, what EVM stands for is Ethereum Virtual Machine. Yes, Ethereum Virtual Machine. That is to say that any wait before we even do that, let me show you in MetaMask. Let me open up my MetaMask and show you what I'm talking about so that you are going to get a clear example. So what it means that any wallet at all that is under Ethereum that supports the Ethereum chain can use Ethereum virtual machine. Let's open this. So what it basically means is that any wallet that they say is an EVM crypto wallet, it means it supports Ethereum virtual machine. And that means it can interact with any blockchain that is compatible with its technology. That is what it simply means. And that being said, BNB, for instance, look at BNB. BNB supports EVM. Pool also supports it. This coin, all of these coins you're seeing on your screen, they support it. What it means is that if you copy your wallet address now, let's say I copy this wallet address now. If I want to send Ethereum to this my MetaMask, it is the same address I'll use. If I want to send BNB, it is the same address I'll use. If I want to send ICE or any other token, it is the same wallet I'll use. If I let me open up my Ethereum and show you so you get a clear understanding of what I'm talking about. So let's go over to this receive here. And note, this is what you are going to be using for your RD chain once the registration goes live. So you can see this my wallet starts with OXAC90 and end with 2683 for Ethereum. So if I want to send you Ethereum and I tell you to send me your Ethereum wallet address, this is what you copy and send. But if I also want to send you BNB and I tell you send me your BNB wallet address, let's get over to BNB right now and open it up. So this is receive. Now, once we click on receive, you can see the address is still also the same, OXAC90 2683. That is because it's an EVM compatible wallet. So let's go over here. Let's select another coin again, like Polygon. You see that the addresses are the same. This is because MetaMask is an EVM compatible wallet. So in simple terms, if you are asked to provide your EVM wallet, you either go into your MetaMask and copy your Meta wallet address, or you go into Trust Wallet. But when it comes to Trust Wallet, you need to be careful. Why? Because even though Trust Wallet is an EVM compatible wallet, Trust Wallet is also a multi-chain wallet. That means it supports different blockchains. So because of that, if you are asked to submit your EVM wallet and you want to use Trust Wallet, just go into your Trust Wallet, copy directly your Ethereum wallet address only. Just copy only your Ethereum wallet address and send it. Because it is not all the coins on Trust Wallet that they are going to be the same. So that is basically that. You can also use OKX Web3 wallet. OKX Web3 wallet also supports EVM. That is what I personally use. It's my favorite. It's very reliable. So this is basically this about this. So once this update goes live on Arichain, this is how you are going to now copy and connect your wallet address. But let's wait for then until it goes live. I'm going to make another tutorial video. Meanwhile, this thing I just explained now, these are simple terms. They are simple things that you should already know if you are in the crypto space. In fact, it's a non-negotiable. So if you want to learn the whole basis as to what Web3 is all about, you could hit me up in the DM. Just check the description box for this video. On this my Telegram channel that I just created, I'll pin my WhatsApp contact there, so you can message me in case you need private lessons, private tutorship, or whatsoever you want to learn. I'm going to be available, but it's not for free. Note, it is not for free. So come and pay to equip your brain. So that is basically that about that. Don't forget to follow me on X and follow me on other social media platforms. I'm currently on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and the one I'm more interested in is X, because I do drop most of my updates there even before I make videos on them.